In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A55 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app, and if you never used it before, selecting while using and allow in all available pop-ups. Now, before starting recording, hit those three dots at the top right corner and hit Settings. Then manage them however you want to. Go back and click on Standard or Speech to Text to apply the best recording mode for you. When you're ready, tap on the red button at the bottom. Then select Allow again. As you can see, your recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same middle button. To listen to it right away, pause it, swipe it, and click on Play button on the left. To add a bookmark, select the bookmark icon here. And to end and save your recording, click on this square at the bottom right corner. Then name it and tap on Save. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To delete it, hold it. Click Delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!